Chapter 8 Allowance. In this chapter, you will learn how to create or edit fixed asset allowance with or without using formula, create or edit variable allowance with or without using formula, assign allowance to employees, understand different methods to handle variable allowance, recalculate and reset payroll process, create ad hoc item for allowance, use formula involving time attendance function and not involving time attendance function. And the last one, you will learn how to import time attendance value from Excel template. Before we start with task 8.1, you will need to read through the notes that we provide to you regarding the allowance. Okay, and now we proceed with the task 8.1a, which is fixed allowance. So to record the fixed allowance into the payroll system, first you have to go through the tools, okay, and after that general maintenance, and then you go to the allowance. So when you click at the allowance there, currently we have few allowance that already created by the system. Okay, so the first instruction is, it says to edit the following fixed allowance. So to edit, you need to find the petrol. So petrol allowance, this one. So edit it, you click on the edit button, the pencil icon. So the code there, you need to change to the travel. Okay, the description is remain the same, which is travel/petrol allowance. Contribution here, okay, all is tick, pay EPF, pay tax, okay, pay SOCSO and EIS, and pay HRTF. And the tax exempted rule is petrol allowance, which is the first one. Petrol allowance, travelling allowance, or toll payment. So here, after you done edit, you just click on the save button. Okay, that is for the first allowance. Okay, and the second one is shift. So the shift allowance here, you need to change to shift 400. So it's already fixed. So shift, we change to shift 400. Okay, just add on. So this one, description shift allowance 400. Okay, and all are payable to EPF, tax, SOCSO, and HRTF. Tax exempted rule is empty, but the formula here, okay, you need to put in 400. Means that for this shift is already fixed that the amount is 400. Okay, so after you key in this 400, you just click on save. So when you click on the shift allowance just now, you can see the formula is that. So that's how you that's how you edit the fixed allowance. So after you done 8.1a, task 8.1b is for you to assign the allowance that you already added just now to the employee. Okay, so how to assign that? You have to go to the payroll, okay, and then you have to go to the employee, and then employee maintenance. So which employee that actually entitled for the allowance, you need to assign the fixed allowance to employee Ironman, which is this one. So what you need to do is you need to go to the edit, okay, and then you need to go to the addition and deduction to add on the fixed allowance. So when you click addition and deduction, okay, you need to click on the add payroll item here, okay, to insert the allowance that already fixed for this employee. So first, this Ironman is entitled for the travel allowance, okay, and how much is the amount? 500. Okay, so so this one, the second one is shift 400. So shift 400, you tick on this shift 400. Okay, and then for this travel, you need to edit the box and then you need to put in the amount, which is 500. So after that, you click on apply. So it means that in this, this one I edit again. The travel. Okay, 500. So save. So for this travel allowance, it means that the Ironman are entitled for the 500 for every month, which means it's already fixed. The same goes to the shift allowance. So after you done assign, just go to the save button to save your fixed allowance for the employee. Okay, updated. So that is for the task 8.1B. For the task 8.1C, you need to process the month-end payroll to see the fixed allowance. So how are you going to process the month-end payroll? You can go to the payroll, which is this one, and then you can go to the payroll management, process payroll. Okay, so for this one, you need to click on the new payroll process. Okay, and payroll type, you need to choose the month end. Okay, and then for the month of April, so you put in April, and you need to sort by the employee, which is Ironman. So you need to find Ironman here and tick Ironman. So after you done, you click on the process. Okay, when you process the month-end payroll for this Ironman, okay, you can see the payroll is created, and under the details here, okay, you can check there is a allowance column which is 900 entitled for this Ironman. So where to check the allowance, you can just double click at the figure here, 900. You can see travel allowance 500 and then shift allowance 400 for this Ironman. So that's how you check the allowance for the employee.